Welcome to the Long Island Innovation Park at Hauppauge Monument Unveiling. I'm Eliud, Custodio at Turn 1 Studio, and I'm standing with Anthony Manetta, Chairman of the HIA-LI. Welcome.
This is great, fantastic. Thanks for being here. What a wonderful day.
Oh, it's our pleasure. It's an honor. So this is a big deal. Why is it a big deal to you?
It's a big deal because it signals to all of Long Island that you're here at the Innovation Park. And it's a strong signal, it's a visible signal. This is one of the largest industrial parks in the country where innovation and job creation happens, and we're proud to display it here with this beautiful sign.
Excellent, excellent. So for those that aren't aware of what this park really means, what are key takeaways that they should know about?
Yeah, this is truly the hub of innovation, manufacturing, technology, pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, in all of Long Island, and one of the anchors of New York State's economy right here on Long Island in this park. And that's what this sign welcomes everybody, let them know that it's here. It's not a hidden gem anymore. We want the entire world and public to know.
Love it. How much of a challenge, I was going to say how difficult, but maybe it wasn't, but how much of a challenge was it for the HIA to make this happen?
Yeah, you know, it just takes planning and process, right? So good things take a while to happen, and that's why we're here today.
Excellent. What's next on the horizon for the HIA?
Next on the horizon for the HIA, just keep putting the word out, creating important resources for our companies, making sure that Long Island businesses not only survive but thrive, and really has fostered a sense of collaboration amongst everybody. You know, a lot of these buildings you come into this park are very nondescript. We want everybody to see what's behind those closed doors. It's amazing to see what's happening.
Love it. Well, I know we're about to start and we have some key dignitaries coming in. This is exciting. Thank you for your time.
All right, thanks for being here.